How's it going? I'm Ben Baker, CEO of HivePowered.ai. You're out there every day, you're climbing ladders, you're hitting roofs, and it's hot ass days sometimes, if not most of the time. You're dealing with clients. You don't have time to be messing around with online and SEO and digital campaign orchestration. In the digital world, that's where the real battles for market dominance are won. There's many of them losing it right now. What side of that coin are you on? And things have changed. SEO's changed. It's always continuing to change and evolve. We have to have people in the right spots doing the right things to get you where you need to be. You know, we're not like traditional marketing agencies. We are cutting edge, AI-powered marketing sidekicks trained to help your roofing business get the best SEO rankings out there. It's like strapping a jetpack to your roofing business. You think that SEO is just about keywords? Please. It's far more than that. It's about making your roofing business the king of the Google jungle. So when people are in your city and they look up the best roofing service or they're looking up your name, they find you. You show up. You dominate. Top of the page, top of the game, top of mind. We work hard to test and optimize to get you where you need to be. We don't go out there promising you results like all these other shitty traditional agencies either. We actually work to get you great results and work with your business to put you at the top. That is our goal. That is what we strive to do. We work incredibly hard. Our people work incredibly hard. And so when you hire a marketing sidekick from HivePowered, that's what they'll do for you. We don't just feed you to the sharks like some of these generic strategies and agencies out there that are failing and floundering about. No, we give you trained roofing marketing sidekicks. I mean, this isn't just any sidekick either. Imagine Batman's Robin, but for SEO, right? This sidekick dives into your business, learns the nuts and bolts of what makes your roofing service unique in your local area, and then boom, they tailor a SEO strategy that's so damn effective, their competitors wish they stayed in bed. Now, let's talk about the results. I get it, you want leads and attention. You'll get them. More calls, more contracts, more clients. But you gotta hold up your end of the deal. You get this traffic, we make your traffic awesome, you gotta follow up with these people and you got to sell them, okay? You have to follow up with them immediately and fill out the information on your websites. That's again where we come in. We help you to build a website, a roofing website with our special AI-powered system to auto follow up with these people and get you in contact with them immediately so you don't keep losing these leads. There's a speed to lead issue happening in the roofing industry right now, and you need to be ahead of it. So because you're out there handling the roofing, your marketing sidekick is handling the internet, you're optimizing your presence online, you're ensuring that your business isn't just seen, but it's actually sought after. You need that. You need to build your reputation. You have to be ready to grow and scale your business. So if you're ready to stop being a small-time player in the big pond and start, being a shark, right? It's time to team up with us, okay? Don't just chase the game, change the game. Join the elite roofing business owners out there who not only reach for the success, but they actually grab it, claim it, and own it. Right? We've got people that are trained, GAF certified master elites out there. They're badasses. It's not just about getting by. It's about getting ahead. It's not just about surviving. It's about thriving. With HivePowered, you're going to thrive. So get with us before your competitors do. Trust me, you don't want to be on the one that's left behind in this digital age. You don't want us working against you. I promise you that. So, do whatever you got to do. Go down to the bottom of this form, reach out to us, DM us, contact us, follow us. Just get to know us. Take your time. But don't take too much time because all of your competitors out there chasing and pounding the ground, trying to change the way that they market to their customers and get more market share. You need us. Okay? I'm telling you, you absolutely need us. And so, reach out to us. I'd love to talk to you. I want to help you. However you got this video, somebody reached out to you, somebody probably sent it to you, whatever, doesn't matter. Come hit me up and I'm going to help take care of you. All right? We'll see you guys soon. Thanks.